Alright, so the lawnmower isn't starting. Does nothing. No matter what you do, nothing. Had a problem the other day. Hooked the jumper cables up to the battery. We're gonna jump the starter. And this way we know the starter isn't the problem. I can take the positive. The starter is good, so it's got to be in the solenoid or the wiring. I want to make this video also so I don't forget in the future.